Hello. Thank you for coming to my channel and welcome back. If you are new, please subscribe and like this video. If you are still the same subscriber who has subscribed to day one, then just stay active on my channel and I'll give you a shout out. This is my new thing and that I can participate with my subscribers. So I would really have fun giving you the recognition you need for being supportive of my channel. So I'm going to give you shout outs at the end of the video. Yeah, so I'm going to give my friend a shout out right now because I am doing this fidget spinner video and so has she, and she's working really hard on her other channel, and you need to go subscribe and check out her channel. She has two, so I will give you both of them. One is Mary Exade, and then the other one is Mary for Life with the exclamation point. So go check out her channel, like her videos, and subscribe and comment. And I'm pretty sure she's doing the same thing I'm doing, which is giving you a shout out for your channel. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah. I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so here is the fidget spinners. Some people enjoy them a lot, and then most of these fidget spinners cost a bunch of money that you have to take a loan out of your bank just to pay for one. So they are really fun to play with, but some people disagree. Some people say that some people say that it is like a choking hazard. Some people can choke on these bearings. Some people can choke on these little spinny part. You never know. Or these little beads right here inside the fidget spinner. You never know. They might be really harmless or harmful for many people and many little kids. And some people can poke their eye out. You never know. Some people can tangle up their hair with it, but I haven't had a problem with that yet. So yeah. Then I have this other one. This one's does really lightly, but sometimes schools ban these just because people are getting distracted. These were mainly just for people who had concentration disabilities or but they're really cool, and since everybody has one, everybody wants one. Everybody sees everybody with them and just wants them, to be part of the group, right? So sometimes you have to be a little cautioned about these little items. Now, there is this whole swallowing, tangled up hair, hitting you in the eye, but there is some joy into them, but you need to be careful. And this is just a warning because you need to stay on the safe side, and people are burning, they're melting metal or something, melting it with a blowtorch and turning it into a fidget spinner. You need to be careful unless you are an adult that has your license of a blowtorch or whatever. Go ahead, but there is so many things that these are going on around that you need to have some caution. And I just dropped it. Well, and so the fidget spinners are really cool. They really look cool, but some people think that they're so cool that they want to do anything for them, trade. And some people say, I want money for it, or I will pay you this. Don't pay at school, because then the school will, take that against you and, send you to the principal's office. Now, teachers don't like them. It's because they're for people who need to concentrate more, and for people who can't stay still, and that's what usually people try to stay against, saying they're not all just for that. But they do help you concentrate just because you're moving your fingers, and it must be fun under your desk, and you can just worker problem. But some people don't. Some people who like focus fine or whatever, they just want this so they don't have to do work and they can have something fun to do while they're doing a test or something. Now, there is so many people around the world that are getting banned from these, and some people like want all these like high-tech fidget spinners. They're all the same, guys, even though the weight is different, but like they're still spinning. It's just you want the looks of it. Like, that's all you want is the looks of it. And I get how you want a personalized fidget spinner that you like love so much, but like these fidget spinners can be really life risking. You can get it stuck in your throat and like you can't breathe or whatever, and you might die. So be like precautioned about this, because they might be really dangerous to little kids, and you should watch out for people who are like, hanging around your fidget spinner when you're not looking, because they might steal it. Just because people are going out of their way to steal people's fidget spinners just because everybody has them and they're so cool to spin and they look cool to spin and stuff. I get that. But when it's not your territory, you shouldn't take it. So yeah, just stay cautioned about it, and I hope you have a good day. And sometimes you can do tricks like this, and I just love fidget spinners, but sometimes I have my point about them, and then next thing I know, I'm getting them. Like, yeah, you have to like stay careful about that, and yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and go subscribe to my friend's channel, Mary Forever with the exclamation point, and Mary XAA, and I'll give you a shout out at the end of my every video if you subscribe and be active to my channel. So thanks for watching this little fidget spinner thing, and if you want more of these fidget spinner hacks and stuff, you could easily go back to my channel and subscribe so you can be notified, and click that bell for future videos like these. And I will maybe talk my sister into lending her fidget cube for a video if y'all want. So thanks for watching this video, and bye. I love you.